Hi my dear students, welcome back to the Maths class. In the last class we discussed about repeated multiplication. Today we are going to discuss about prime factors. Let's do an example. To find the prime factors of 48. 48 is an even number, so 2 is a factor. When we divide 48 by 2, we got 24. 24 is an even number, so 2 is a factor. Divided by 2, we got 12. 12 is an even number, 2 is a factor. 12 divided by 2, we got 6. 6 divided by 2, we got 3. Okay. Here, how many 2's are there? Yes, there are 4 2's. And how many 3's are there? Yes, 1 3. Okay. We have to find the factors of 48 by column method. Here, the number of 2's are 4. So, we mark in the column up to 4 2's. And there are 1 3's. 1 is the factor of every number. So we start from no 2 and no 3. It means 1 is the factor of that number. The table contains no 2 means 1. 1 2 means 2. 2 2's means 2 into 2 4. 3 2's means 2 into 2 into 2 8. And 4 2's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. And no 3 means 1. And 1 3 means 3. Okay. So the first row is 1 into 1 1. Then 1 into 2 2. Then 1 into 4 4. 1 into 8 8. Okay. Then 1 into 16 is 60. Multiplying first row by 3, we get second row. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 4 into 3 is 12. 8 into 3 is 24. And 16 into 3 is 48. So, the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 3, 6, 12, 24 and 48. That is, the factors of 48 in ascending order are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. In this method, first we find out the number of prime factors through which we have to find the factors. Next we shall learn one more example. Find the prime factors of 144. 144 is an even number, so 2 is a factor. 144 divided by 2, we got 72. 72 is also an even number, 2 is a factor. Dividing by 2, we got 36. 36 is an even number, dividing by 2, we got 80. Then 18 is also an even number, dividing by 2, we got 9. 9 3 is a factor. So 9 divided by 3, we got 3. So the prime factorization of 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Here, how many 2's are there? Yes, there are 4 2's. How many 3's are there? Yes, there are 2 3's. Then we find out the factors by column method. There are 4 2's and 2 3's. So, the column contains first row, no 2, that is 1, 1 2 is 2, 2 2's are 2 into 2 4, 3 2's are 2 into 2 into 2 8, and 4 2's are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 16. Okay, and there are 2 3's. So the first column contains no 3, 1 3 and 2 3's. No 2 means 1 is a factor. 1 2 is 2. 2 2's are 4. 3 2's are 8. And 4 2's are 16. Okay. Then multiplying first row by 3. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Then 4 into 3 is 12. Then 8 into 3 is 24. 16 into 3 is 48. Okay, 16 into 3 is 48. Then the second row is multiplying first row by 9. 1 into 9 is 9. 2 into 9 is 18. Then 4 into 9 is 36. Okay. Then 8 into 9 is 72. 8 into 9 is 72. Okay. Then 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is 144. So the factors of 144 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 9, 18, 36, 72 and 144. That is, the factors of 144 in ascending order are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72 and 144. Okay. Here is an activity for you. Students, find the factors of 288 by column method. That's all for today. Thank you.